It doesn't rain underwater. Returning to the land from sea has you transitioning from a sea animal to a land animal again. In the tide zone, the wave energy may still make the water cloudy. The visibility becomes a hazy separation itself, even if it was clear further offshore. It doesn't rain underwater, though it is cool to lift your head up into the dropping rain as it hits the ocean's surface. It's hard to emerge back onto land immediately. Just get out and get back to your land life. It takes a while. Do you think it's like how it takes your body time to transition back to Earth from outer space?